Welcome to another Goodwin English lesson. Today's lesson is a basic beginner lesson. In today's lesson, we will study how to ask for someone's contact details, like a phone number or an email. Welcome back. So, in today's lesson, we will learn how to ask and give contact information. Many people have learned, what is your phone number? At school or in a textbook. This is not bad, but it is a direct question. Sometimes direct questions are not very friendly. A more indirect and friendlier way to ask this is, can I get your number? Or, could I get your phone number? When you use the pattern, can I get? Or could I get? It makes the question seem softer and a little more friendly. We can answer this question like this. Sure, my phone number is 555-9878. Or, sure, it's 555-9878. Of course, many people prefer to use email to communicate. You can use this question to ask for someone's email address. Can I get your email address? Or, could I get your email address? This is just like the pattern we used with the phone number. We can also answer in the same way. Sure. My email address is randyleague2222@gmail.com. When you say your phone number or email address, you should say it slowly. Sometimes it can be a little difficult to understand. Also, many people will repeat back to you what you say. Like this. Can I get your email address? Yeah, sure, it's randyleague2222@gmail.com. That is R-A-A. Recently, many people like to communicate using social media websites. For example, Facebook, Instagram, Skype. Some people might ask you this question. Are you on Facebook? Are you on Instagram? Are you on Skype? You can answer with this. Well, yes, I am. Or, no, I'm not. Here, be careful with saying, no, I'm not. If you only say, no, I'm not, the other person will think you do not want to communicate with them. You do not want to contact them. So, if you do want to contact with that person later, you can say this. No, I'm not, but my email address is randyleague2222@gmail.com. Or, no, I'm not, but my phone number is 555-8798. This tells the person that you want to communicate with them later. When you ask someone for their contact information, you should be a little careful. Many English students will ask for this information a little too early, a little too quickly. It is best to talk with the other person for a little while before you ask for their contact information. If you ask too early, some people might not want to give you their information. Well, that's it for today's lesson. If you have any questions, please write them in the comments section below. If you liked today's lesson, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. My name is Randy League, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.